When is the best time to drink Shakeology? Well, it's really up to you. You can choose to drink it at breakfast, your morning snack, your lunch, your afternoon snack, dinner, or maybe even as a dessert. It really depends on your schedule and it's flexible. And that's the great thing about Shakeology and our meal plan is that you get to choose when you eat and what foods you eat. You create the meal plan. We just provide a template. So if you have something that's your favorite for breakfast, if lunch is the hardest time for you to get the most nutritious things and you want to have your shake then that's when you want to choose to have your shake. For me, breakfast is the best time. So it's easy and fast and I can have it on the go as I'm on the way to work. But sometimes too, I have a morning meeting that's going to include eggs or something and I decided to have that for breakfast and I wait and have my Shakeology later at night and I get in my last red container after dinner and make it kind of a dessert and have the chocolate. So you can change it up. It doesn't have to be the same every day. Just whatever works best for you. It's flexible. So if you have any other questions, comment below or send me a private message. And I'm excited to get this group started. I'm excited to help you with your fitness journey. So let me know what questions you have so that I can help you. Have a great night.